Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you just a little game that I like to play with rolling that really just helps you dial in your roll and enjoy it. And along the way, it's good for you. It gives your brain great information about your body because you're rolling and you're getting all that tactile stimulation up through your skin, but you're also crossing midline and greatly activating your vestibular system. Anyway, it's just another fun way to explore how you can move, but you make a game out of it. And so I'll just show you and try to talk through at the same time. But you're gonna lay like a star or a starfish. So your legs are out and your arms are out. And so I'm gonna start with upper body, and you're just gonna kind of reach around the world. So we're gonna take, the first reach is going to be up. So we're coming up this way towards this hand. And we're just coming here and going back. And then we go the other way. And now we're gonna go more to the side. And now we go more to the side. And now we go more diagonal. And you just try to relax. And so we're leading with our upper body, so the eyes and the head are very important as far as facilitating this roll. And now we're gonna go down towards the feet. And we'll go down towards the feet. And so that's really just how you do it, just kind of around the world or around your body and using your eyes and your head and your intention and your reach. So we can also add a little bit of tension to it, and we can do it partially elevated. So I can come up here, I'm elevating myself by pushing my elbow, using it as a fulcrum and pushing it into the floor, and come up and just prop it up, and then we just undo it and go back. And on this side, and we undo it and go back. And now across, I can just reach this way, so I'm still elevated using my lats and my armpits, my serratus, and Superman muscles. And then we'll go diagonally, still staying elevated. And if you got it in you, go towards your feet. So that's upper body. We can also do this with lower body. And lower body, well, your head just kind of stays relaxed, but you can spot your eyes for targets if you want, and it's kind of helpful. But I'm just gonna take my right leg and reach down low. Let it pull me over, and then I'm gonna take the right leg and let it pull me back. And then left leg goes low, over my microphone box. And then we reach a little bit higher with the left leg. And then we take the left leg back. And so we're just working around the world. So now we're going straight out to the side. And this kind of feels, well, it just feels good. There's not a lot of kinda to it. It actually feels good. And you notice how the lower body just pulls the upper body over. You want to stay relaxed up top though. Don't be rigid in your shoulders. And then we're going to try to take the leg up top by the hand. So we reach, and it kind of sprawls you out. Sprawl, that's a southern term, I think. It's definitely a term that we use around here. We sprawl. And then we're going to take the other leg and reach up towards the hand. And then we're going to take that leg and come on back. So that's it. It's I don't know what you call it other than around the world with rolling, but it is a great way to play, spend time on the ground, and just play with your roll and see, can you roll just as easily out to the side as you can up top, or easy up top as you can down towards the bottom. Anyway, it's just around the world. You should try it. It feels good, and it's one of those things you kind of have to experience and play with to really see what it does. But the idea is to just be relaxed as you roll and allow your body to move over piece by piece by piece and explore how many different, how many targets or how many locations around your body can you reach. Okay, that's our tip this week. Just a simple game you can play with rolling. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I'll shave next time. Bye.